Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create account on Clickup. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to write the Clickup and we have to open the Clickup website. So as you can see, I've already opened this. Now simply what we need to do, we have to click on this first link. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, the website will look like this. Now simply what we have to do, as you can see, get started is free. So we have to click on the sign up. So we need to create an account. So we have to provide the email address. So I'm gonna provide my email address here. So write that, and then simply after writing that we have to click on the next. So let's click on the next. So as you can see, after clicking on the next, as you can see, if you want to continue with Google, you can also do that. So I'm going to continue with Google. So let's click on the continue with Google, and now we have to choose the email address. I'm going to choose the same email address. So let's click on this. And now as you can see, now we have to choose that what would you like to use ClickUp for. For example, I'm going to choose the personal, and after that, how many people will you be working with Meet? So just me 2 to 10. For example, I'm going to select 2 to 10. And after that, as you can see, now we have to select which solution would you like to start with, promo, IT, or the marketing, or the finance account, and we have to provide creative. And after that, I'm going to select YouTube. You can select whatever you want, and after that, I'm going to click on the I am done. So let's click on this. And how do you use any of these? I'm gonna use for example, I'm gonna use the Trello and the Excel. And now let's click on the next, and after clicking on this, let's click on the finish, and after clicking on the finish, it will be ready. As you can see, ClickUp account is created. Now you have to watch this video. This is the welcome video, and after that it will be ready. You can use this account. Now you can use it. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.